Hey guys, it's Mary Ellen. Welcome back to my channel. And if you're new here, thanks for stopping by. In today's video, we're gonna be unboxing this Universal Yums box, and it's a holiday box this time. Normally, Universal Yums sends me a box from a specific country every month, but this box is a whole bunch of different countries in one. So we are really excited to open it. This is my daughter Kaylee over here, and this is my other daughter Allie. And so if you would like to see us open and taste these snacks, keep watching. Okay, so before we begin, I just want to mention that Universal Yums, like I said before, is a snack subscription box. I'm going to put the link in the description box of this video. That's my affiliate link. If you want to check it out, if you wouldn't mind using that link, it would be very much appreciated. And it's a really good gift for the holidays, just a really good fun activity for the family. So anyway, check out their website and let's open this box.
May I?
Yes.
So inside they have a sticker like always.
And then there's a pamphlet here which comes in every box, and it just talks about all the different snacks and has little fun facts and everything. And then we have
the scoreboard on this side where we're gonna rate all of our things.
So we rate each snack on here. In my videos, I give the snacks 1 for the best and 3 for the worst. And we are gonna go in order of this. You can tell us what the first snack is to...
Drum roll, please. So the first one is from UK, and it's roast turkey and stuffing potato crisps.
How cool is that?
Sounds good.
Yeah, it sounds so good. Look at that.
I need scorekeeper.
Yes. I've never had turkey and stuffing potato chips, nor have I ever heard of turkey and stuffing potato chips.
Do they
Smells like a Thanksgiving dinner smell.
I don't know about it.
My turn.
This is the test because I'm a
Kaylee's a little bit
person.
picky.
Yeah, she's picky.
A little lot picky. They're like homemade potato chips.
They're a little thicker than your average chip.
Like,
I liked it at first. Now it tastes like a burnt turkey.
There's a strong sage flavor in there. If you like sage, you'll like these.
I like them.
Of course, you know, sage is in stuffing, so that makes sense. I think they're good. I'm going to give them...
A 3.
Really?
Wow.
I don't like that aftertaste.
Potato chip after
I'm going to give them a 1. I like them.
I like them
I have
too.
a really weird potato chip taste. I mean, taste in my mouth.
Yes, we are drinking wine as our palate cleansers.
Yes, I am of age.
Kaylee's just a little peanut,
Yeah,
but
but
I
she's
swear
the oldest.
I'm the
she's
oldest.
26.
Sugar and anise polvoron.
Pulveron.
Pulveron.
Pulveron?
That's
What's
in
that?
Spain.
What's a
I
pulveron?
don't know what it is in Spain, but in the Philippines
Shortbread
it's like a little cookie.
Yeah, shortbread with powdered sugar topping.
I love shortbread.
You know what I think this is gonna be like? Those Mexican wedding cake cookie things, like the almond ones with the powdered sugar on them.
It
Those
tastes
are
like that.
Oh my god. See, it tastes like that, but it tastes like that mixed with a pizza.
Wow, licorice.
I think they're pretty good though.
I like the texture. I don't like licorice, so I would go with a 2 because the texture's great.
I'm gonna
Licorice
give it a
is
2
good.
as well. I think it's good, but
Me
it's not like
too.
blowing me away.
Yeah.
So this next one is the one that scares me the most in this box. Oh wait, are we saying which country these are from?
Oh gosh.
I have been.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. Okay.
So which
UK,
country
Spain.
is this one from? Taiwan?
Taiwan.
Okay, so it's salted egg yolk popcorn.
Oh god.
And that to me is just slightly scary because obviously we don't have anything in the United States like this at all.
Like my favorite snack's popcorn, and you're ruining it with something that I
I
don't
don't-
like. So
You open that.
Smell a little funky. I don't really like popcorn.
Who doesn't like popcorn?
Oh, they're moist.
They smell like they're moist.
God.
I don't want my popcorn ever to be moist. It smells like rotten caramel corn. Sort of.
Really? You guys are
that. Think about that when you eat it. I didn't mind it at first until you said think about rotten caramel corn.
I don't like it at all.
Nope. No. Can I make it a 4?
I don't hate it.
That's not for me.
No.
I need a chaser.
I don't like eggs, and that texture is weird.
I love popcorn, but they ruined it with that.
Wait, let me try another one.
It's a little sweet.
But like a sweet egg yolk.
But it's also like kind of like, I don't know, pungent.
It's raw.
I don't know, something weird about it that is disturbing. Maybe Mike will like it. He likes everything.
I'm gonna give it a 3.
Yeah, 3. 3's all around.
Okay.
All right, what's next? Let's get that
Ugh.
taste out of our mouth.
Ooh,
No, really
mocktails.
All right, mocktail bonbons.
Oh, cute.
This is also from
Wait,
UK.
what are the flavors? We got Cosmo, gin and rhubarb. Oh, I want the peach Bellini. Peach Bellini, prosecco, and tequila sunrise.
Oh, look at them.
The
Can you see those? I did not expect them to look like that.
wait,
are
can
they?
you
They're bonbons though.
look
I
at the
love
front?
bonbons.
No, bonbons.
So the orange one's the peach. That's the one I want.
I want the champagne. I get
Remember in the England box we had bonbons. This one's really sour.
This one's sour. I love peach flavored anything. So
hurts my teeth. My
it's
jaw.
like a peach ring, but in a different format.
Woo! They're tart.
I think I have the gin and rhubarb.
They're very tart. They make you salivate a lot. You know what I mean?
Can't even open my eyes.
I'm a salty person. I'm not a candy person. You've known that forever. So
I like those though.
I don't think I could rate this as high. Like, do you rate it? Like,
How you like it,
how
yeah.
how you like it for candy, or compared to everything else in the box?
I think we don't compare. We just rate it as it is.
I give it a 1. I get a headache if I eat too much though because it's really tart.
I
But
think I'd give it a. I'm gonna give it a 2 only because it's making me salivate a lot, and I just don't. That makes me uncomfortable.
I'm not a candy person, so I probably give it a 2. But as far as candy goes,
But the
Good.
flavor was really good,
Yeah.
right?
it's fun. Crude and Newton cookies.
crude note.
Wait,
Crude
what country
Newton.
is this from?
Netherlands. #1 spice cookie, bite-sized.
Crispy spice cookies.
Well, they smell like ginger snaps.
I don't like those.
Have you had ginger snaps?
Yeah.
Oh, you like crunchy cookies, so there you go. Oh, they're cute. They're really little.
Well, those are good. So, what would you give this, Allie?
It's good. I just don't really like that type of.
I'm gonna give it a 1 because I love a crispy cookie and it's a good flavor.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'll give it a 1.
I would keep eating them.
Yeah,
Okay.
I wouldn't, but I'd give it a 1 because it does taste good. I just don't like crispy cookies. All right.
Ones all around.
Next, we have alpine nut cake. Crumbly nutty pie straight from the Swiss
Switzerland.
Alps.
Oh, my arms aren't long enough.
Yeah, shorty arms.
Switzerland.
It looks like a fig Newton. I feel like it's a fig Newton.
I don't like apple filling.
It's not apple, isn't it? Isn't it nut? Oh. What? I like it.
I don't know. I forgot we talked about it. It's like it's like a peanut butter textured inside. But it's like if you get that healthy peanut butter, that like almond butter that just tastes like
I
nothing.
don't really like it.
I like it.
I can see how you
nothing
would like
special.
it, but for some reason I just don't. I don't have any reasoning
It's
behind
good.
that.
It's got some sugary, like, pecans or walnuts or something inside.
It's like making my stomach hurt. So
oh.
Caramelized walnuts and hazelnut.
I don't know why.
Well, so that one we will probably all give a. What are you gonna give it, Kaylee?
I'm giving it a 3. It wasn't really.
I give it a 2.
I'll give it 3.
I didn't really.
I don't like that.
it.
The filling taste. It's not disgusting though.
No, it's not disgusting. So maybe it should be 2, but I'm giving it 3.
All right, here we go. En français.
Cocoa dusted chocolate truffles.
Truffle.
Oh, man.
Cocoa.
Cocoa powdered truffles. It's got little French stuff on it.
I love
They're
truffles.
gonna be too rich
Yeah.
for me, but we'll try it. Yeah, these are gonna be way too rich. I can already tell. Oh,
Oh, they're definitely cocoa dusted for
Yeah,
sure.
look at Kaylee's lips. It dusted those up.
did it?
Oh, it's gonna be way too
Oh.
big for me.
It's actually
It's bitter on the outside.
yeah, but bite it. Just eat it. It's better.
Very messy.
It's too rich for me.
It's
I like it a lot.
it's a lot meltier than like the truffles, like the Lindor truffles or whatever.
I love it.
As far as truffles,
I don't
go,
like the
that's probably
outside
my favorite
powder.
one I've had.
The cocoa powder.
It's like you're eating straight chocolate batter or something.
Yeah,
And it was really,
it like melts.
yeah, it's just like so soft, but not like, it's hard to
just
describe
melt
the
in your mouth.
texture. I don't know, I really liked it.
Yeah, I'll give. Oh, so you're saying it's like silky smooth?
Yes,
Yeah, silky smooth.
That's what they wrote about it.
Yeah.
silky smooth.
All right. What do you rate it?
1.
I'll give it a 1. I could only eat one of those in like a month, but.
I'm full now.
All right, another chocolate. Chocolate
Oh,
cream
no.
Pandoro.
Why can't they give
This
us
is
salty
Italy.
after the chocolate?
Italy's beloved holiday sweetbread plus gooey chocolate. This is a big boy.
Oh, I'm not like this.
It's just like a cake.
No, I know, but
Or
it's
bread.
got chocolate inside, right?
Yeah.
I'm not a huge fan of like chocolate
Me
filled
neither.
things.
I
I
don't
think it
like- I
stems
don't
from
like
when you made
chocolate.
chocolate like covered croissants one time.
Oh, this
Yeah, I
years
know.
and years ago. And then I got the stomach flu and many things were ruined that day.
May I? Thank you, sir.
That's a very large knife you just gave her. Mike is the director. He's
Yeah.
behind the camera right now.
It's like this on the inside. Like a little bit of chocolate.
Oh, it's
More.
feels very spongy. Has a strange feel. It's like fluffy, flaky,
Flaky, yeah.
Like a
But-
croissant.
Yeah,
Like-
but like a croissant, but
like a croissant, but different.
more fluffy. I quite like it.
Yeah. I mean, it's kind of like a slightly sweet hamburger bun
It's hard for
with
me.
some weird chocolate stuff in the middle.
Yeah, that's true. It does feel like that.
I'll go with the 3. Not my thing.
I'm going with the 3 as well. It wasn't.
I give it a 2. I thought it was good.
It's not bad. It's not
No.
horrible, but I don't need it in
No,
my life.
it's not.
Yeah.
It's not like the egg.
I would never grab
not
it.
like
popcorn.
the egg.
No, it's just
Not
not
good.
special.
The egg was like
It's good though. It's like sweet bread.
yucko.
All right.
Some sort of chocolates. More chocolates.
Why can't we get
Apple.
salty?
Apple and dark chocolate domino steams.
Wait, apple?
Yeah, it's German.
Gingerbread with fruit filling and persipan covered in dark chocolate. This is from Germany.
Yeah.
Oh, look at that.
Amsterdam.
I did a food day in Germany.
Oh, it says the essential
Class
parts. Ready? The essential parts are a base of lubrication, the gingerbread. The second one is a layer of tart jelly from apples, and the third is a marzipan
As
Which
we
if it's like marzipan, it's like a
made of
sugary
ground apricot
paste.
kernels.
Okay. Marzipan I think is almond.
As I've mentioned in previous boxes, I don't like fruit with my chocolate, so I have
And
a
I don't
feeling
like
this is
dark
not
chocolate.
going
Yeah, I
to
don't
be
like
something
dark
I
chocolate either,
really
so
like.
this is probably gonna be.
I can smell. I don't like dark. I like fruit in it, but not dark chocolate.
Nope.
I mean, nope. I was gonna say, I mean, I could see the appeal, and then
Woo! It hits you, right?
it's just a weird combination
much.
of
It's too
flavors.
much.
It reminds me kind of
What?
It reminds me
But
kind of like the chocolate covered oranges or whatever, like the
Yes.
orange flavored chocolate.
Is anything else salt? Can we get the garlic chips now?
This might be
Ugh.
it. Oh, I was like, this might be, but it says Jordan's sweetest, flakiest way to break Ramadan fast.
Baklava.
Oh, baklava is
Jordan
good.
baklava.
Isn't that like croissant type?
It's like
a
super flaky, yeah. But it's like flakier than a croissant.
Here it is.
Where is this from? Jordan.
It's wrapped so nicely. Look. Comes with little like tissue. It's really cute. It's a bird's nest.
Oh man.
Did-
We should all try the bird's nest. Look, there's little pistachios in it.
There's little birds in there.
Oh, I love pistachios.
This is sticky.
Yeah.
Uh-huh. Yep.
It's very buttery.
I've discovered over time I'm a texture person. And this is
Oh, yeah.
This is a good texture.
This is a good texture.
That's too much for me. That's
No.
We're off topic. It's too
good.
sweet, I think.
Nope.
It's very rich, but
It's perfect.
I feel like it's got cavities eating it.
yeah, it's stuck in my teeth a little bit, but yeah, the texture is wonderful and the flavor is just, it's all very good. So I feel like that's the best thing so far in this box.
Really?
Are we gonna try the bird's nest though before we
Bro,
continue?
can I have two?
Isn't that going to be the same with just
I don't know.
pistachios?
Under pressure.
Sweet. Oh.
You chow down.
Oh, that's a nice texture too.
Oh, that's a little different.
I like it.
Mm.
Oh my god.
I don't like it that much.
I don't like it as much as the others, but that's kind of
No.
interesting too, right? That's good.
I'd eat the whole box.
All right, well, I'm really sticky now.
What do you rate it?
I give it a 2.
I'm 1 for sure.
1.
That was delicious.
It was maybe because we're eating so many sweets and that gives me. It makes me.
I
feel
wish
sick.
they would do like salty, sweet, salty, sweet. Why do they have to? Next time, we're not going in order.
All right, and now this one is finally the garlic potato chips, roasted garlic from Czech. Oh, woo! That is garlic. Here it is. Oh my gosh! Wait.
Ew. Oh god. No. I'm sorry. You should have put a warning in there.
Ooh,
You need to put like a chewing sounds
little
warning.
garlic ASMR.
They're good. They're very strong.
I don't know. Is this gonna beat the other potato chips? Because I liked those ones.
I'm not a huge garlic fan, but honestly, these are tasty.
Oh, another.
They're pretty good.
Also,
I think I'm just happy to have
I think
something
we're
salty.
just really craving salt at this time after all that sweet.
No, I think they're good though.
I'm gonna give it a 2
Yeah.
because I think I was really wanting something salty, so I think I'm judging it better than.
I'm gonna give it a 2
Because it's like,
I'm a plain potato chip person.
But I give it a 1. I liked it.
hi Bumble.
Oh, good. There she is.
Here's our star,
Bumble.
Bumblicious.
But are you gonna release the hounds and show everybody the new star? It's Raisin.
Pup number 1, pup number 2.
This is Raisin, my grand doggo.
Yes.
All
Yes,
right.
she loves her grandmama.
Whoop, whoop, whoop.
So the last one I'm excited for because it is sea salt and caramel fudge, and I love fudge, and I love sea salt, and I love caramel, so
No.
I'm all about this action.
And this is from England.
Feels like it's something from America.
This is like a no already. I'm not a salty sweet person.
I definitely am. I don't
Oh,
think
so
Bumble needs
Bumble.
to be on the table.
Sorry, she's just so cute.
Raisin's being good. Oh.
Oh, sorry.
Raisin's only 5 months old, so she's a little feisty.
Oh, really chewy. And soft.
I can't open it.
Raisin.
Bumble, it's okay, baby. Oh, gosh, that feisty.
Come here. You didn't see that. This tastes like
It's good.
those calcium
That's good.
chews we had as kids.
It does.
Yes, it tastes like the
What are they called? Viagra?
I called them
Viactive?
Viagra when I was little, but it's not. It's Viactive. Calcium juice, yes.
They do taste like that. Only like less vitamin E.
And more grainy.
You ruined it for me now.
Yeah.
You've ruined that egg popcorn.
I'll give it a 1 though. It's still tasty.
It's a 2.
I'll give it a 1.
Not my jam.
Overall, this was a really fun box because I really liked how you get to try different countries in one.
Yeah.
That's not something we're used to. And yeah, so if you're interested in checking
Wait,
out...
freeze. Let's tell them what our favorite was.
Oh,
We all did ones on the gingerbread cookies. Remember those?
that wasn't my favorite though.
And the truffles.
I didn't give it 1 on the truffle, did I?
Yeah.
I think my favorite was the baklava,
Yep.
followed
Hands
closely by the turkey and stuffing potato chips.
Mine is the exact same.
Aw, twinsies.
I already have
Alright,
one
leave
of those.
me out, why don't you? I think maybe the mocktail chews.
Those are good.
I don't know. Everything's very chocolatey and holiday tasting. I don't like that.
Grinch.
I am wearing green. I'm eating garlic.
Anyway, again, check out the link in the description box if you're interested in trying Universal Yums. I promise you it's a lot of fun. I don't recommend anything on my channel I don't
Wait.
love. And so,
Sorry
yeah,
to
pretty
interrupt,
fun.
but can I say something?
sure.
They have something Universal Yums Guide to New Year's Eve. And they have different little things that what they do on New Year's Eve. Like this is the Philippines, Kaylee. It says, like Italians with lentils, Philippines consider anything round to signify prosperity in the new year. So picking out a New Year's outfit is simple. Polka dot everything. That's it. There's all different stuff, but it's cool.
Kaylee's married to a Filipino.
Yes. For those who don't know, the reference is
You want
to
to
the
come take a...
Philippines. I am
Here he comes.
married into that family. Oh, he's coming to say hello. You may have seen him briefly on.
He might have been in the last video, but I didn't
video.
cut him out. That's Aaron. That's Kaylee's
Aaron.
husband.
Yep. And so I'm excited to hopefully get a Philippines box at some point if they do one next year. Universal Yums.
Yeah.
You hear that? Need a Philippines box. I may not be here, but I will.
Yeah, Kaylee lives in Missouri, but she will be moving back home next year, so we're excited for that. All right, thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you in my next video. Take care.
Bye. And action.
All raw. Here we go.
Okay, so before we begin, I just want to mention that Universal Yums, like I said, it's a snap.
Snack that smile back.
It's Mary Ellen. Okay, just go ahead.
I'm having fun.
Okay.
I safely traveled the world this year. Ooh, ooh. Got a little excited there. And then there's the pamphlet, which has information in it. Should I get sloppy here?
All right. Tell us what the first snack is to...
Drum roll, please. All right, I'll do it myself.